Bergen, founded about 1070, soon grew to become one of Norway's most significant cities. From the early 1200s through 1299, it served as the country's administrative center and was the biggest city in Scandinavia. Bergen was one of the Hanseatic League's most significant bureau cities, linking continental Europe with the northern and coastal regions of Norway, becoming a major site for stockfish selling and a commercial hotspot in Norway. It was Norway's largest city until 1830s, and it has a strong maritime history in shipping and finance. The pleasant small-town atmosphere of Norway's second biggest city is accentuated by the 7 massive mountains that function as its natural border, not to mention the beautiful fjords that are only a short drive away. The city's coastline is decorated with homes of all colors, and the area's fishing tradition dominates its modern-day attractions. A few days here is highly recommended, as it will give you enough time to see everything Bergen has to offer, while also allowing you to make the most of what is a gateway to some of the world's most pristine nature. The fjords are Norway's most popular tourist destination. Yes, we're talking about underwater valleys formed by glaciers and surrounded by mountain range. You know what we're talking about, since you've probably already put a fjord tour on your bucket list. Even Norwegians, who may have grown up beside the fjords, are amazed by their magnitude and splendor. Bergen is located south of Sognefjorden and north of Hardangerfjorden, 2 of Norway's most popular fjords. All year you may take the excursion to the fjords from Bergen. A full-day excursion is required for the most magnificent sights. However, if you just have half a day, there are half-day tours available. If action-packed trips are your style, you may combine your tour with cycling, kayaking, or even whitewater rafting. Bergen's fish market is one of the best in Europe, featuring a fantastic range of seafood. All of the produce on the stalls is fresh, and while a bite to eat is notoriously expensive, a stroll around the market alongside the picturesque waterfront is a pleasant way to spend the morning. The city also has a variety of great seafood restaurants that provide traditional Norwegian cuisine to adventurous travelers, including locally caught whale, excellent salmon, and world-class shellfish. Grab a seat on the tram that climbs up to the peak of Mount Flyen for an amazing view over the city. At almost 300 meters in elevation, you'll enjoy an amazing view of the city below, as well as access to a lot of well-marked hiking trails that go into the forest. All of the options are included on a walking map of Mount Flyen, which may be obtained from the Bergen Tourism office in the city center. Because the fjords are so well known, many visitors are unaware of the coastline. Remember to plan enough time in Bergen to view the fjords as well as the coast. Along the coastline of Bergen, there are some true hidden jewels. Outside of Bergen, there are thousands of tiny islands, and you can even go island hopping for a day during the summer. It's like a fairy tale strolling through historic streets and lanes where people have lived for ages. Small wooden buildings, cobblestone streets with stone stairs at the steepest part, and flowers abound. Visit the Bergen Aquarium to experience fish, penguins, seals, crocodiles, snakes and spiders in their native habitat. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.